Hi, and welcome to our How To series session. With 60 plus interconnected modules, Franciscan eCare transforms a school into a smart school. Over a decade, hundreds of schools have yielded benefit from Franciscan eCare School ERP. And today, we are proud to announce the much awaited upgrade till date. Welcome to our family. Let's begin our journey together. Let's see what we were using earlier. Okay, we also felt the same, and based on users' feedbacks, we have revolutionized the whole system design. Rest assured, more updates to be published down the line. Welcome to the world of eCare Pro Student Management System. Today, we are thrilled to introduce our revolutionary student management system, designed to simplify and streamline the way educational institutions manage their student information. With our technology, you can take control of your administrative tasks and empower your staff to focus on what truly matters: nurturing students' growth and success. It will be a detailed tutorial video. Thank you for your patience and time. Without further ado, let's get started. Login procedure remains the same. Username and password is required to log in. In case you forgot your credentials, you may click on the Forgot Password option or contact School eCare admin. Customer care number is dynamic as per school, which means School eCare admin can alter the details as required. In case you don't have the school code or you are viewing something like this on your screen, then you need to enter your school code. School code can be found on your school's website. It's a 6-lettered code. Remember to use capital letters. Once done, we will see the login screen as we were speaking. Let's quickly jump onto the dashboard. Our user-friendly interface provides a seamless experience for administrators, teachers, and even parents and students. With smooth animation and fluid material UI, gives the best user experience to a whole new dynamic. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features that make our application a game changer. Centralized database, attendance and grading, communication and collaboration, timetable and scheduling, performance analytics and reporting, dynamic dashboard, single page MIS, multi-school access, ERP access, question paper generation, teachers performance appraisal, group school dashboard. Let's take an overview of the interface. Top portion of the screen here is called the navigational bar or simply nav bar. Left hand side portion of the screen is called the drawer, which consists of menus and submenus. Below nav bar we have different titles, each providing us specific data in a glance. Let's get through all of this one by one. You may pause or rewind the video in case you need to. Let's begin with nav bar. Extreme right, we have added profile management options. We have 4 quick action buttons: My Profile, Inbox, Add Another Account, and Logout. If you have access to multiple schools, you may add your other accounts and bring them to one place. For adding multiple accounts, we need to click on Add Another Account. Verify the registered mobile number, which should be registered with other schools as well. On entering school code, user will have to enter credentials. It's that simple. As soon as account has been added, user can switch between schools instantly. Let me show you how. Drop down brings us the list of schools user has access to. Also, we have introduced a new functionality of browsing code ERP applications right from here. All you need to do is select your preference. Please note, only those applications will be shown which have been permitted by school's eCare admin. Let me show you one. Then comes notifications, which helps to get updates all the time. Now the dashboard. Everything you see is optimized for better readability and reach. We can have a quick glance on the status such as total number of students or staff, gender ratio, leaves, new messages, circular or notices. In fact, if any student is in the infirmary, that will also be notified here. Coming to the visual data sheets, we have estimated collections which can be filtered as per your convenience. For example, filter by day, current month, or even custom date range. Values can also be filtered by clicking on the toggle limits. These are possible for all types of fees. If we scroll down, we will see mode-wise collection, fee defaulter, bank balance, staff attendance. Scrolling further down, we will see student attendance class-wise. We can filter them by marked or not marked classes. Furthermore, we can see new admission comparison chart with previous year's data. If we scroll down, we will see feed activity calendar. Feed shows the latest notice or circular. Clicking on them will redirect you to the details page. Activity calendar informs about the upcoming events on the calendar. Simple visualization has been developed for teachers' workload. Graphical representation is in descending order. Last two tiles are of school library details and some student stats. Let's begin with the drawer menus. First of all, we have Group School Dashboard. On clicking, user will be redirected to the management panel to access multiple schools or branches data at one place. Further down, we have student menu. Here we have designed it from the ground up. Under sub menu, student profile. User can access all the student data right from here. Their full profile, attendance, performance, fees, transport details, etc. Clicking on sub-menu, attendance, user can view attendance, mark status, and list of absentees. Similar goes for sub-menu, leave, where user can see pending, approved, and rejected leave status. Likewise, we have also implemented staff menu, where administrator can view all the data from single point. Then we have assignment. We have designed this to facilitate the easy filtering of classes or teachers without compromising on the actual dataset. We have also added a search functionality, which means user has all the data right here, just a click away. Then comes the syllabus. User can view syllabi by selecting the preferred class. On timetable, we have added teacher's schedule as well. Hence, as an administrator, you have the facility to go through the staff schedule when needed. Needless to say, student class timetable is readily available. Then we have messaging menu. Similar to the earlier version, user can send, receive in-app messages within the institution. Just add recipients, a subject line, and a message itself. If user requires to add a document, that can be added from the attach button provided. Clicking submit button will send the message in real time. Sub-menus like inbox and send messages are as follows. User can browse through previous activities as such. We have developed a contact-based messaging system, keeps inbox clean. After that, we have report menu, under which birthday data can be fetched. Next, we have announcement menu, in which sub-menus like circulars, both school notice and class notice can be found. As you can see, our main focus is to bring all the information at one place. Hence, this major update has been published keeping the seamless user experience in mind. Next, we have calendar menu. Simple UI, events are placed according to their chronology. Then comes My Info menu, where user can access their own attendance, leave data as well as pay slips. After that, we have library menu, where user can check for the latest books available or even go through the past library transactions. Then we have ebooks. Whatever ebooks school has registered with us will be readily available for everyone in the campus. At last, we have questionnaire and thoughts, where user can browse through others' published content or create a new one to publish. Features like liking the post is also available in this version. Thank you for watching till the end. We hope this tutorial was worth your time. In case you need further hands-on assistance, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for choosing us.